Hello, it's me, Crazy Rebecca, Dances with Pitbulls, and welcome to Crazy Quilt Friday. Ta-da! This is approximately 1/4 of the big blocks of my daughter's quilt. So, I'm going to show you how to pin them together and sew them. I'm not going to actually let you watch me sew because that's so boring, but hopefully you'll understand what I'm saying. And I am not done with all the embroidery, but I'm going to try to get that done today. So we're going to sew these together in blocks of 9, and then you embellish these seams. This here and this here. Then you join those and embellish here. You do that 2 times, then you do the whole thing and you'll embellish that center seam. So, as you can see, I hope, I have like staggered every other one that has lace with one that does not have lace. I think I tried to keep it even, but I may have more with lace on them, so that's okay. And I pin them. Okay, I gotta tell you something. This is not a bear. Yeah, it looks like a bear. He is a porcupine. Can you tell? With his spines, his quills, they just got all pushed down. Yeah. So I like these kind of pins. Oh my, they're rusty. I'm not worried too much about the edges. The edges are all pretty even. So you pin them. I always say I'm not going to have 2 matching fabrics and blah, blah, blah. That never works out for me because I forget how I got them going. So I'm going to sew here. Probably not a 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch. 1/2 inch, whatever. Whatever, just be consistent. Press your seams open when you're done. So this goes, okay, so this one will go here. Do this for all 3 sets. Press them open. And then you will join your 3 sets together and press those open, please. Please and thank you. So I will come back when I have this one done and show you how it looks. Okay, I am in my regular room now. I wanted you to see how I have pressed these open. I did have to trim a little bit on some of them, but that's what it looks like sewed together. And now we will sew, pin like this. I like to match the seams as close as possible. It's not a deal breaker if they don't actually match. But I will piece this together and it will be a hunk-a-chunk of Crazy Quilt when I am done, ready for me to add some embellishments to those seams. Okay, it's all sewed together and it is beautimous. The next step is to embroider this line and these lines, and we shall see, shan't we? Shan't we? Yes. So I think I got enough to do 4 of these, but it's not big enough for a queen size bed. So I'll have to either make more blocks or rethink or do something or blah, blah, blah. So anyway, I'll be back. Okay, so I started to embroider and I changed my mind because my fingers are sore because I did like that pile there. So I went ahead and sewed another group together, and I'm going to take them with me to the art show tomorrow night and just work on them there. So the next time I pull these out for you, I might have enough done to do a third. Like, I'll look through and see, but I still have to embroider some. So anyways, thank you for watching. I know it's like different and stuff, but you know, I ain't got no time. Got no time. So anyway, come back and we'll see what we can do. I love you. Bye.